Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure to turn off the power to your dishwasher before beginning. Your first step is to open the dishwasher door and remove the screws securing the outer door panel. Close the door securely and pull the outer door panel down to remove. Next, remove the screws on the inner door panel securing the control panel. Pull the control panel off and support it as you disconnect the wire harness from the old door latch. Use a flathead screwdriver to bend back the mounting tabs and slide the old door latch out. Install the new door latch by positioning it in the control panel and snapping it into place. Bend the mounting tabs in to secure the new latch. Connect the wire harness. Reposition the control panel and replace the screws in the inner door panel to secure. Reinstall the outer door panel by sliding it up into position and replace the screws to secure. You're now ready to turn the power supply back on and confirm that the dishwasher is functioning properly.